The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control. A parasitic amoeba has been identified in Mission Beach waters, which is spreading throughout the cities of San Diego, Chula Vista, Encinitas, and Oceanside. All beaches are closed effective immediately. Symptoms include dehydration, headache, high fever, nausea, vomiting, seizures, and eventual asphyxiation. If you or a loved one are experiencing one or more of these symptoms, dial 911 or go to the nearest hospital immediately. Stay tuned to this station or other media outlets for further information.